Hi guys, Peter here. So this video is going to be about my new longboard. It's an EVOLVE GTX. It's got the off-road tires. Instead of just talking about it, maybe I can show you. Give me a sec here. Charging it right now. Awesome piece of machinery for sure. I'm still a little afraid of it. So an EVOLVE longboard is basically an electric skateboard. It's got two 1500 watt motors in the back, one for each back wheel, and you control it with this little remote here with your fingers. So there's a gas, brake, and a little display, so you can see how fast you're going, how far you've gone, things like that. It's really cool, actually. It works quite well. I just had a power bar, so I'm like still chewing it. So I just came back from a pretty good ride on the board. It's freezing out, but I was dressed for it, so hopefully no frostbite that I find out about later. That's just me messing around on it. Not really sure, you know, I'm ready to do any type of review on it, so just me messing around, having a blast just around my neighborhood. Again, it's probably minus, I have no idea why I looked at my watch. It's minus 10 at least. So that's the first time I take video of it. I use this thing. It's like a GoPro tripod-y type device. It's handy. You can put other things on it too, and you can use it as a sort of a stubby little selfie stick again. So I'm just watching the video of, or the footage of what I just did outside, and that's pretty cool. So maybe I'll throw something together, and this will be it. So, all right.